Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles using garden ingredients. First, head out to your garden and select ripe produce. Look for items like fresh berries, zucchini, or even edible flowers. If you have backyard chickens, collect a few fresh eggs. These garden-fresh components will elevate your waffle experience, adding unique flavors and nutrients. Gather any remaining pantry staples you'll need. Once your garden bounty is gathered, it's time for preparation. Carefully wash all fruits and vegetables to remove any soil. Dice or mash items like berries or zucchini, depending on your recipe. For example, you might grate 1 cup of zucchini or mash 1/2 cup of berries. This step ensures your garden additions are ready to be incorporated into the waffle batter, enhancing flavor and texture. Now let's mix the batter. In one bowl, combine your dry ingredients such as 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another, whisk together wet ingredients like 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until just combined. Finally, fold in your garden-fresh additions. With your batter ready, preheat your waffle iron to its optimal setting. Lightly grease the iron if necessary. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter per waffle, spreading it evenly. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffles are golden brown and crisp. Serve immediately with fresh garden berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of maple syrup. Enjoy your delicious, homemade garden waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.